Guys, this is the best dash camera I've ever received, and when I say the best, I really mean it. This dash camera comes with 4-channel 360 degrees wide angle recording, so say goodbye to blind spots and parking worries. This advanced 4-channel dash camera is designed to provide round-the-clock 360 degrees protection for your vehicle, and best of all, it works on any car. Unlike other dash cameras, this one includes a Hardwire kit as standard, ensuring uninterrupted power for parking monitoring. It also providing simultaneous recording of the front and rear and inside of the vehicle for comprehensive visibility inside and outside the car. This is perfect for daily commuting, ride-hailing, and long-distance family trips. This 4-channel dash cam front and rear includes front, rear, and dual inside-facing cameras to capture every angle in 1080p Full HD. So if your car doesn't have a dash camera or you have a bad one, well, it's not a big deal anymore. You just need to check out this dash camera. Maybe you've seen the dash camera and now you are wondering if it's compatible with your car or not. And to keep it very simple with you guys, as long as you have a working power outlet, whether it's the cigarette port or a USB, it will work in your car. This dash camera comes with everything that you need to install, including a rear camera with 6-meter cable, Type-C car charger, ACC hardwire kit, 128 gigabytes SD card, and more. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. So let's open this and see what we have right here. Okay, this is the dash camera. Here you can see the warning tapes for this dash camera. It comes with a powerful 4-channel dash cam offering 360 degrees coverage in crisp 1080p Full HD. It features front, rear, and dual interior facing cameras. The rotatable rear cabin camera keeps an eye on everything inside your car. With 8 IR lights, it delivers clear night vision, and the G-Sensor Plus loop recording ensures critical footage is always saved. Okay, here we have cigarette lighter style or power outlet with USB Type-C. Here we have the rear camera with 6-meter cable, just mounted with this red tape. Here it actually does come with a Hardwire kit, which is pretty awesome. It gives you your power ground ignition and your USB Type-C if you want to hardwire that, which this is the first one I've ever done that comes with that actual piece. Here we have the instruction manuals. It's got a little piece right here, looks like a mounting piece. And then you've got your plastic pry tool and then a USB to Type-C as well. Make sure to read the instructions manual. Actually, this dash camera does have an app that you can download on Android and iOS, so you can watch everything from your phone. This is pretty cool. So this is all what we have here. Now let's take a closer look at this amazing dash camera. So here we have the main display with high quality. It also has dual interior facing cameras. Here we have 5 buttons below the display which you can use to turn on the dash camera and move between the options. On the back of the dash camera you have the main camera, and here you can remove the red tape to install the dash camera in your car. This dash camera supports Wi-Fi and 5G. This is really amazing. Alright, let's go ahead and turn on the dash camera to test it and see how it looks. So let's turn it on by plugging this Type-C cable right here. Let's see how it works. And boom, it's turned on. I will remove the screen protector. Alright, here select your language. You can use these buttons to change the language. Once you select your language, just press OK button. And as you see, it's now turned on, and this is the main interface. Okay, this is the main camera, which is on the back. It's recording with Full HD 1080p. This is the right side camera with wide angle. You can move this camera 180 degrees. And this is the left side camera. All these cameras are recording in 1080p Full HD quality. However, the back camera can record in 1080p or 1440p Full HD quality. You can change this in the settings. Okay, let's take a look at the dash camera settings. So first, here we have Wi-Fi. You can connect it to Wi-Fi. Here you can change Wi-Fi band selection. Here you can change the camera resolution. You can record in 1080p on all cameras or 1440p on the main camera. Here you can change recording time, change video sound, change mirror for rear lens, change mirror for left and right lens, change screensaver, change preview mode, adjust volume, customize right IR light, change gravity sensing, change parking monitoring, change language, change time settings, format SD card, restore factory settings, and see firmware version. So this is all the settings we have. This dash camera has an app that you can install on iOS and Android. The app makes it super easy to watch your dash camera videos from your phone and see everything you want. This is actually amazing. I will now show you some recordings from the dash camera in my car. So happy watching and wait for my final thoughts at the end of the video. Okay, my final thoughts. This dashcam offers clear video quality day and night and provides full 360 degrees coverage with its 4 cameras. The Wi-Fi app is easy to use and installation was simple. The dashcam is absolutely worth it if you want full protection for your car. The 360 degree 4-channel setup records the front, rear, and inside of the vehicle, so nothing gets missed. Video quality is clear and sharp both day and night, and the IR night vision works very well in low light conditions. The 5G Wi-Fi and app control make it super easy to view, download, and manage recordings directly on your phone. I also appreciate that it comes with a 128GB SD card included. Overall, a reliable, feature-packed dashcam with great value for the price. This is the best dash camera I've ever had. There is nothing more to ask for with this dash camera. I have to say that I'm really happy because I got this dash camera. If you like it and want to buy it, you can buy it from the link below this video. It's worth it. So guys, this is our review for this product, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more reviews, and peace.